The Indian Super League has slowly but surely generated interest amongst football enthusiasts. The interest levels will keep on rising as the tournament kicks off on 12th of October. FC Goa has pulled off a stunning signing in the form of marquee coach Zico. The legendary former Brazilian footballer, Zico is undoubtedly the most famous name in the ISL coaching staff among all 8 franchises. In the days to come, FC Goa will gear up for their opening match at home against the Chennai outfit, and the match will be played on October the 16th. Wishing good luck and success for everybody involved in the ISL, as we all have the common goal of taking Indian football to a higher level. And any initiative that envisions to lift the standard of football in our country should definitely get a chance to implement their ideas. So, let's football!
próximos.
Os jogadores, deu para notar que alguns jogadores indianos estão melhor condicionados que os que chegaram agora.
Indian players look more, in condition, fitness condition than the foreigners.
Estão em atividade de jogo contínuo.
It's normal because they have practiced for the last 2.5 months.
Os estrangeiros vão pegar aos poucos, né?
And the foreigners will, day by day they'll reach there.
O estilo tem que ter tudo, porque você não pode ser nem só tático, nem só amigo, nem só, tem que ser profissional. Se tiver que ser amigo, eu sou amigo. Se tiver que ser tático, se tiver que ser técnico, é técnico.
My style carries a little bit of everything. As a professional, you have to be friend when you have to be friend. You have to be tactical when you have to be tactical. So in my style, I have a little bit of everything in the professional way.
But you have only 22 players at the moment, but there will be matches almost one match every 3 days. So will 22 players be enough, or are you actually looking at more players?
Você no momento tem 22 jogadores e vão ser jogos em cima de jogos. 22 jogadores é o bastante ou você pretende adicionar mais jogadores a esse conjunto?
Eu acho que o ideal seria ter uns 25, né? Vamos ver.
The idea is to have 25, but that he's going to discuss with the management.
Eu acho que é muito cedo para falar alguma coisa, né? Porque uma coisa é treino, outra coisa é jogo. Quando tiver o primeiro jogo, primeira prática boa mesmo, posicionamento aqui, hoje eu deixei mais livre, então o importante é quando tiver já com os treinamentos, com posicionamento, aí a gente pode fazer uma análise melhor.
It's very early to say because it's just today as a first training he just let the boys be, and when start the games or the first practice match he can have a look and he can see what is there. But now it's very early to say about anything.
With this, we come to the end of the program. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.